Right guys, welcome back to the channel. We've got our 8Y RS3 development car in today. This vehicle's been running on some height adjustable springs for a few months now. We've been testing those, giving feedback and obviously using that as development on those springs as a product. What we're going to be doing now is a similar thing with this Öhlins kit. We're about to get that installed on the vehicle. As you can see, obviously laid out. Adam probably put some nice shots in there. What we're going to do is we're going to fit this full coilover kit to the vehicle, and what we'll do is we'll test it out on the road, but you know, there's only so much we can do there, so what we'll probably do is do a featured video on it, you know, out at the track and give some better feedback on it there. But yeah, let's get the old springs off, let's get these ones fitted. Right, so suspension installed, carried out a wheel alignment. We're just about to give it a bit of a test on the road. First impressions, you know, it's a lot more firmer than previous. We have set it up so the rebound is basically fast, windy road. You know, track setup. There is, you know, there's a lot more adjustment to make it firmer, but you know, pretty much a happy medium between, you know, track and comfort for road. So we'll give it a bit of a drive. What we've done is we managed to set some cameras up on the front and the rear, so we'll be able to give you some shots of that as well. Obviously, we're restricted to the roads around the estate. And obviously speed limits, and what we'll have to do is, I think what we'll try and do is when we've got when we get out on the track with some of these cars, we can basically report back on them as a whole a bit better from that point. But just even driving on the road now, you know, the whole thing seems, you know, much firmer and a bit more confident into those corners. I'm not losing front end or anything, so yeah, one more thing to mention, we didn't mention before. This car is basically factory mag ride suspension, so in these applications, anything that's running mag ride, the DDC, they need a cancellation kit so that the car doesn't go mad and, you know, start getting upset about the suspension not being there. So this is installed with that because this has mag ride from factory. So yeah, if you have a car that has that, that's obviously an extra expense that's comes with obviously fitting a whole coilover. Right guys, back from road test. Really enjoyed the suspension. Feels really good out on the road. I think best things we need to do, obviously, get out on the track, and we'll try and revisit this in a video, give a bit more feedback on the actual suspension setup itself. If you were looking for a suspension setup or something similar, give us a shout. Thanks for watching.